What's up, guys? So today we are going to be doing a cocktail called Trader Vic's Grog. So first thing we're going to do is just a few dashes of Angostura bitters. We're going to do 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of just regular old pineapple juice, unsweetened, 1 ounce of this is Passionfruit Syrup, and then 2 ounces of dark Jamaican rum. We're just going to add a little Scotia crushed. Give it a nice whip shake, and we're just going to pour. This is going to be pretty high volume. Give it some ice. We give it a little slappy poo, a little crushy pants, and then I'm going to just add a couple skewered Luxardo cherry or two. And then I was just thinking we could put a little wheel of, how do you like that? Does that look good? A little dehydrated lime wheel?
Sure.
So there it is. That's all I got for you today. So I'll see you guys on another time when we do something else tiki for this lovely hot summer weather we got going on.